fiti ani asese ni din and your friend say mechanic na prophet kumichacha ma sesa me YouTube no ba bia me hwe bia ma change afro and ma ba too much GH shit na prophet kumichacha me so me hwe
for Muniaba, a case capa, any na Ghana Wahala Jumedi, and a winnie egusu awo eshe. Yamishamo said Damunya ebre, edgy edja, 18 Samaya day, ebro munisituma de Danada Yakase. We are your #1 loyal and credible channel. You will edit Momo Abreni Abribia Muni Honoma, ye knew a 1870 to say a dear century or memo esana. Ye don't want to go dread your moon said ye day baby, ye genu, a nuclear said ye be a one so. What didn't shower fire and one foot to be our best old debate to a young Mabuno and I say we are there for Nenano, who's when you saw a quinano, now wants to sweat to me a day or 2 a year a job. Now and that day there and some Babato a year apuno esum, Mobekaya for some weeks now ni you a year near banana, ama Brown Sinicheni, Abaya, Biums so ye media personality. Now Nijumedia Wodie, Mas Brown Kitchen, and a Biomonsun a United Showbiz. Now since I just say, yeah, the old interviews and the old life say, why you know, nubi, and I know more a repeat, one show no as one I just say, and yeah. Life, normal life for the just say, yeah, no, ankasa. Now, no more, and I just say, for a yeah, you baying. What's me about one thing? Eddie, a mood and chimu, a baba to a year, a jana just said. Yeah, a fear, Ade Yan won't cry about him, say, fear dear. Wait me, I be a staircase soon. I'll be parted, and I just say, or bow kitchen, no one cry about, and no, not just say. What she ye a few more back that was 2013. You know, bay a year and quenchia, Cassia, not just a yard in a cram, a day a free in summer. And Nessa ewa a year and kind and one road no eso and matches and sa nifa sensembi eba a year and watches and I want to me in peja no surgeries a hot door a course so a day a manum. Na bena what you my young no san and sacro ya when she see ya chesem. Why you won't surgeries and Yamia dum with me mass with me dear Bibian and no pim and I won't essa coco kaya not just say a ye suni our what Yamaya Beya. What one now I was a one science and rational and funny copium wire sabia. I just say a sacoya another surgery. A one in Sano eso a ye that 2013 na dear edition and sending Musa de Beya will bet me and moving in Sakwa Banum. You won't go you son. Dear na enfrimu na for different one new one and sa enshimena say ho aye den atechema no na je say enimia ade no go nim krampo say we de enye ye we mpo de nkanya de say obetimi asanso afa ne ho edi ebiem na sunya mencha de wetimi akwa kopiemu ewo ayaresabia ama ya surgery no kama ede amano nanso na nka onyaya nko de video no sa video na bra ye no operation no ne ayi ni nyina ne surgery no anko de beche na so se de munim no ye YouTube policies makwan ma moja ne ho kone ba ne yemfa ensho entino wanu so entimi amfa antwem nanso yeah, after say a bandaging and son no one call it ba walk asanidim. When ya akwenya no edisa and your money na ebusium. Mama yanko video no ne send no every ba yebeto.
And I thank you very much. Today I did this video because mainly I know you've missed me. You're waiting to see me Saturday, tomorrow, and then I'm Friday on. Yeah, tomorrow evening. I know you can't wait to see me, and I have a lot of DMs. A lot of people are sending me DMs and like, Nana, where have you been? Somebody even texted, why have you been sacked from UTV? And I said, no, I am not sacked. I don't think I have a problem with UTV to be sacked. Besides, Nana Wetma is not a problem person, and UTV is my home. UTV is my house, my home. Because you see, we have McBrown's Kitchen there already. It was my home. And United Showbiz has sealed it. and and I don't know what to say. But for the past few weeks, I've been off live show. You only see repeated shows, and I'm here and I'll be back on TV soon. But the problem is I am not well. Somebody sent me a message, why are you pregnant again? It would have been beautiful, but I'm not pregnant. The problem is, if you remember 2013, yes? 2013, I had an accident which almost took my life. And by the grace of God, I am here. I am not well because if you remember that accident, yes, I had 2 surgeries when I had the accident on my arm. And unfortunately, I've fallen down again. And I've broken my arm for about some weeks now. And it's hard for me to raise my right arm. Let me just show you. That's why I called you here. It's hard for me to raise my right arm. And this is how it has been. I am trying with the exercise and all that. I'll bring it up and everything. I will come back to United Showbiz very soon because I'm well, like you can see me, I'm well, but it's just the hand in the
say an ordinance no etu edwatu mu say yenua ba no wa fa eya mu pa eye ne like ne aye ne yapen nani aye ne yapa wutimi utama wo ma ne nsa so pesa ahwefo nyina ehunu se ye ne nsa nti na wontimi emba ye TV so ne won kro ba na de se wo bre se wo be ma so ne di se ye boa no ansa na watimi apagya di sorry ejina honom no enti na se wanti ye nua benka for some weeks now and I say you know for some weeks now na enye se Ghana for the say the mamuni no wo hu obi wo ye TV station bi so radio station I just say either say apam no ana ye yinadi na so ye nua ba yi de ente eye esa efie na just wo kote hwe ye konya accident wo fie ye home accident ye bi okokonya bi wo fie no nti man nsa na akadada 2013 nkwanhia wonya ye no esanso esi ne husu ebiemu a chese na wontimi enye hwe enti na ye hu ne nyina no na woda eye ayaresabia wo hwese ye beye surgery wo eye ne nsa no eso na watimi so asan aba eye ebiemu a wode ne nsam atu eye edwa no na wode ne nsam beto abonte na chese Ghana for wa wunim Ghana for dear enyoma a wo mu ekomu like omu ye so emotional wo nyoma bi say ehun nti no dodo na wish no speedy recovery na ye nua ba ne chirema na chese enchi bia ne ho eto no eba enura ye de ema no odo so omu wie surgery no na ne nsakrampo no wonte na akoye sa se de ewuo wonya ahoka bia wo nua so se de wotimi de ka bibi hye na wo be hu sa hye no bibi ye den eti na wote won san by time ye ne surgery no de na afi bi se obi ne beti no kra wonte ba se de enkwa asaba ensen muti wonim se onum na adro na de ama no exercise ne won ba wo ye ne de bema wosan so agina ne naso ebiem ama watimi asan aba betina ne TV station so na ne juma wodie ne high sense advert wototo ne nsa ne nyina watimi aye ne nyina de ama ahwefo enti se ye hu ye nua be ya na de ato no eno no nanso nyame atimi ayi na free wowuo ne ohaw nyina emu a se de wo fia wo pe ayaresha na se wo responding to treatment said ye be ya ne ho ebeto no na ne dwumadia wodi no wo mayi emu ema nipa anije ema jese wo be ho ne ra ho krampo a wonya hu na ni krampo ne serie ne small krampo na ehye ne nkran no watime asan so ede aba na ebusuafo ye di esie no won subscribe to your channel na message sa wo be ye ebiom like the videos na share all the social media platform eso follow your IG page @AtumaGH_ and your Twitter so the same @AtumaGH_ Facebook and a too much GH. Meaning at the Ekriesika Padasene, Yabasane Shamakrama.